If you have been looking for a well-detailed ofo onugbu recipe, the recipe that will take your ofo onugbu game from 0 to 100, then this particular recipe is one you need to try out. Hello food lovers, welcome to my channel. To make this soup, I'll be using a stockfish head, smoked mackerel fish, goat meat, and some cow tripe, some palm fruit, my dried omo, which I soaked in the water earlier on, the cocoyam. We have two types of cocoyam, but this is the best to use for your ofo onugbu. My ose suka. Guys, I love to use this pepper because it gives a special aroma to my ofo onugbu. This is the bitter leaves I'll be using, and then some uziza leaves, and finally my ogirisi. To start, I'm going to add my washed palm fruit and cocoyam in a pot. Add water and cook on a low-medium heat. I'm doing this to save time. In a separate pot, I added my goat meat, cow tripe, and intestine. Added some chopped onion, some Knorr seasoning cube, salt. Added my pomo because it's thick. I needed to start cooking it so that it gets soft. I added a little bit of water, and finally my stockfish head. Covered the pot and allowed it to cook. At this point, I checked my palm fruit and cocoyam, and it was soft. Next, I went ahead to prepare my palm fruit by processing it. You can watch my video on how to make banga soup to get the details of how I processed the palm fruit. Next, I pounded the cocoyam with my mortar. You can use your blender to do this as well. Make sure to pound your cocoyam until there is no visible lumps left. At this point, I added the smoked mackerel fish. After that, I went ahead to add my ogirisi. Please make sure to dissolve in water before adding, as this process helps to remove sand from the ogiri. Next, I added my palm fruit juice and cocoyam to the pot. After cooking for about 15 minutes, I added my roughly blended peppers and crayfish. I cooked for extra 2 minutes, and finally, I added my vegetables, which is the bitter leaves and then the uziza leaves. I stirred well to combine, and finally, our ofo onugbu, our authentic ofo onugbu is ready. Bitterleaf soup can be paired with any swallow of your choice, including garri, semo, pounded yam, and fufu. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Thank you.